Phuket. The moment you hear this name, a picture forms in your mind. Endless blue waters, white sandy beaches, the golden glow of sunsets, and mountains standing guard like silent storytellers. This island feels like a masterpiece painted by nature itself, filled with vibrant life, peaceful corners, and unforgettable sights. Today, I am taking you to one of those peaceful corners, a place far away from the noise of the city, where time slows down, where the air feels lighter, and where nature embraces you with silence. Welcome to Panwaburi Phuket Resort, an oasis hidden deep within the green hills of Phuket. Hello friend, I am your Bapada, and you are watching Simple Bapada Travel Vlog, where I take you on real journeys, share honest experiences, and show you the beauty of the world through my eyes. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do, because today's journey is going to be special.
Under the Phuket sky so blue, waves are singing just for you.
The trip from Phuket International Airport to Panwaburi Resort takes around 45 to 50 minutes. As the car leaves the airport behind, the scenery begins to change. Endless coconut trees line the roads, small Thai villages appear and disappear, and the mountains in the distance slowly start to reveal themselves. It feels like a quiet adventure has begun even before reaching the destination. The city noise fades away, nature takes over, and somewhere deep inside, you begin to feel that this resort experience is going to be different, calmer, deeper, more meaningful. The moment you reach the resort gate, it feels as if you've arrived at a luxury retreat hidden inside a forest. As soon as you enter, soft tropical music fills the air, and the gentle scent of nature surrounds you. The warm smiles from the staff instantly wash away the exhaustion of travel. A chilled welcome drink in hand, a heartfelt greeting, and a peaceful atmosphere. This is where the vacation truly begins. The check-in process is smooth and quick, and within minutes, you are ready to step into your room. Opening the door to the room, the first thing you notice is the color of calmness. Light wooden accents, minimalistic decor, warm lighting, and a large, comfortable king-size bed. Everything in the room feels designed to help you relax and recharge. Step out onto the balcony, and the view hits you instantly. Layers of green hills stretching across the horizon, the rustling of leaves, birds singing somewhere far away. It feels like time has slowed down just for you. The bathroom is modern and spacious, and the rain shower is perfect for washing away travel fatigue.
Mountains whisper, come and stay. Let your worries drift away. Panwaburi calls your name. Peace and beauty all the same. Brand new, like the island welcomes you. Oh, Phuket dreams shining bright, soft warm days and magic nights. Simple Bapada is here to say this.
For luxury lovers, the resort offers pool access rooms. Open the door, take a few steps, and you're directly in the swimming pool. The heart of Panwaburi Resort is its stunning multi-level swimming pool. This isn't just a pool, it's an experience. Under the afternoon sun, the water glimmers like liquid glass. There are safe play zones for kids, relaxing sunbeds for adults, and lush tropical landscaping all around. Filming here feels like capturing moments straight out of a travel movie.
The suite room of the resort takes comfort to another level. The moment you enter, it feels spacious, elegant, and thoughtfully designed, almost like your own private retreat. A large living area, a beautifully arranged bedroom, warm lighting, and modern decor give the suite a luxurious yet homely vibe. The balcony offers a wider, more open view of the surrounding greenery, making mornings feel peaceful and evenings beautifully calm. With extra space, premium amenities, and a more refined ambience, the suite room is perfect for guests who want a little more privacy, comfort, and indulgence during their stay.
Paradise can steal your breath away. Oh, let the heart just fly so far, like the ocean meets
For
the
families,
sky.
the colorful kids' room is a blessing. Children can play safely while parents relax. The soft play area, drawing corner, and toys ensure kids enjoy themselves throughout the stay. Fitness lovers aren't forgotten either. The resort's gym, though compact, is well equipped with treadmills, bikes, and dumbbells, perfect for keeping your workout routine alive even on vacation.
Dreams will take you away. Simple paradise here today. Swimming pools like crystal light. Rooftop sunsets burning bright. Every corner tells a tale where the soul sets out to sail.
One of the most relaxing parts of the resort is its beautifully designed swimming pool area. The moment you walk in, the pool almost feels like a calm blue mirror reflecting the sky above. Surrounded by lush green plants and soft stone pathways, the poolside has a natural tropical charm that instantly puts you in a vacation mood. Whether you're taking a slow dip in the warm afternoon sun or simply lying on a sunbed watching the palm leaves sway, the place gives you an escape from everything else. In the early morning, the water is so still that it feels like the whole pool is asleep, waiting for the day to begin. By evening, soft lights glow beneath the surface, turning the entire pool area into a quiet, dreamy space where you can unwind after a long day of exploring. The resort also offers a peaceful boating experience that adds a little adventure to your stay. It's not fast or loud. Rather, it's calm and soothing, perfect for guests who want to float along the water and enjoy the surrounding greenery from a different viewpoint. Sitting on the boat as it glides slowly across the water gives you a sense of stillness you rarely get in everyday life. You can hear the birds, feel the cool breeze, and watch the reflections dance around you. It's one of those simple, quiet moments that stays in your memory long after the trip is over, an experience that reminds you why travel is so magical.
Chilly nights with gentle tunes, boating under silver moons. Moments you will never lose. Phuket softly sings to you. Phuket dreams shining bright, soft warm days and magic nights. Simple but
The dining experience at the resort is equally impressive. The open-air restaurant, with its soft lighting and gentle breeze, creates an atmosphere where meals feel slow, peaceful, and comforting. Whether it's Thai dishes, Indian flavors, or Western favorites, the food is beautifully prepared and delicious. But the highlight is the complimentary breakfast buffet. A lively egg station, Thai noodles, fried rice, fresh fruits, juices, pancakes, waffles, salads, cereals, and desserts, all beautifully arranged to give your morning a perfect start.
here to say, this paradise can steal your breath away. Oh, let the heart just fly so far, like the ocean meets the star. Phuket dreams will take you away. Simple paradise here today. Feel the breeze across your face. Time slows down in this world.
But the true magic of Panwaburi lies on the rooftop. The rooftop infinity pool is nothing less than breathtaking. As the sun begins to set, the sky turns shades of orange and pink, and the pool reflects every bit of that color. Standing there, with the mountains in front and the ocean far away, you feel part of a moment you'll never forget. The rooftop bar beside it adds to the charm, with soft music, warm lighting, and refreshing drinks. A perfect place to unwind.
Oh, let the heart just fly so far, like the ocean meets the star. Phuket dreams will take you away. Simple Papada is here today. Feel the breeze across your face. Time slows down in this warm place. Memories made forever stay in the colors of this getaway. Oh, Phuket dreams, hold them tight. Golden dawns and velvet nights. Simple Papada will always say, this island steals your heart away. Oh, let your spirit sail so free. Away the hills, kiss the sea. Phuket dreams will light your way. Simple Papada is here to stay.
If you're staying at the resort, one place you simply cannot miss is the Chili restaurant, the heart of the resort's dining experience. The moment you step inside, the atmosphere hits you first. Soft lighting, warm wooden decor, and an easygoing tropical vibe make it feel like a place where you could sit for hours without realizing how quickly time passes. The restaurant blends indoor comfort with an open-air feeling, so you get that gentle Phuket breeze while enjoying your meal. The staff here are incredibly polite, always serving with a smile, and the service feels as relaxed and comforting as the resort itself. The food at Chili restaurant carries a balance of international comfort dishes and local Thai flavors. Whether you want something familiar, like pasta, grilled chicken, or sandwiches, or you're in the mood to explore authentic Thai dishes like green curry, pad Thai, fried rice, or fresh seafood, the menu has something for every taste. The presentation is neat, the flavors are clean, and you can tell the ingredients are fresh. Evening meals feel especially special because the lights get dimmer, the ambience turns a little more romantic, and the whole place takes on a very calming tone. The resort also provides 24-hour reception, friendly staff, picturesque spots for photography, high-speed Wi-Fi, parking, and shuttle services. Everything you need for a complete, worry-free vacation. The room rates generally range from 4,500 Indian rupees to 9,000 Indian rupees per night, depending on the season, and considering the experience, the price feels more than reasonable. Staying at Panwaburi Phuket Resort is not just a holiday, it's a healing experience. It's a place where your mind relaxes, where silence speaks, and where nature quietly fills your heart with peace. If you're looking for a combination of tranquility, luxury, nature, and a truly tropical vibe, this resort could be the perfect destination for your Phuket trip. I hope you enjoyed this long and cinematic tour of Panwaburi Phuket Resort. If you liked it, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And for more travel stories like this, subscribe to Bapa de Travel Vlog and hit the bell icon. I will meet you again on the next journey, with new places, new stories, and new memories. Until then, stay well, keep traveling, and keep exploring. This is Bapa signing off.